last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with one of the faves again. We're here with RPGHair. I have my goodie bag. Let's get into this first and see what we got today. So I have this rat tail comb. I have a edge brush and comb. I also have this wig cap, a pair of HD wig caps. There's also a branded elastic band saying RPGHair, and that's everything in the goodie bag. As usual, you know, they're gonna put the booklet inside. They're gonna put the pamphlet inside, which shows you you know, the difference, you know, the features of their lace wigs and stuff, you know, their social media platforms, all of that. It's listed inside. All right, and then we have this drawstring bag, which is branded as well. And this is where the wig is, so let's get into that. So this is the wig that we're working with for today. This is a full 13x4 HD lace front wig, guys. This is a big wavy HE lace front wig. Like, you see that it came pre-curled, right? This is so nice. It's 200% in density. Like, I can see the density and I can feel the density. Like, I can feel the weight. The hair is extremely full, and the length of this is also 20 inches long when stretched, of course. So you see there's some really gorgeous curls that they put in this, and I love that. So the texture is regarded as a big wavy texture. It is also a 1B color, and I absolutely am living for this, guys. Like, I need you to see right now how natural the lace on this looks. It's already pre-bleached, pre-tinted. Like, you don't have to worry about doing anything when it comes down to customization in that department. Also, inside of the cap looks like this. It has a total of 4 combs. It has this adjustable strap, okay, and I usually like to adjust mine pretty, you know, close so that the wig is very fitted. Also, there are adjustable straps in the back of the cap. All right, and I usually just crisscross this to have maximum security in the back, and then, you know, of course, cut away the excess lace. But everything looks and feels amazing. You can go ahead and part this within the lace portion wherever you feel, because there's a lot of space to work with, and I am loving this so far. You know, RPG is always gonna bring the quality, one thing for sure. So yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this installation. And oh, you see that bounce? So right off the bat, once I slip this on my head, like, I can just see how nice and undetectable the lace is already. I feel so good. I know this is gonna look so good. I just know it, okay? So of course, you know, I cannot move forward until I make sure that the hairline is completely fitting. So of course, you know, whenever you cut away from the sides or wherever, you know, once it's into the lace, that will increase shedding, so be mindful of that. Now that I've done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my glue, because we're doing a really nice flawless glue installation for today's wig, and I'm so excited, guys. Like, super excited.
Nothing to discuss, cause I'm the white fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. skills over my. I dey try to buy moto, or Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you remain, you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in PETITE-SUE. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in PETITE-SUE. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. I need people and shadow.
So you saw the meltdown is real, and now I'm melting it even more. No baby hairs, no nothing. The lace is immaculate. It is flawless. Okay, it's absolutely gorgeous. You guys see it for yourself. Beautiful. What I'm gonna go in and do right now is just you know, makeup arting where I prefer. I'm still trying to decide if I want to do a, so you see I'm getting shedding a little bit from the sides because I did cut the lace. So yeah, so yeah, I'm trying to decide if I want to do a center or a side part. Please remember, you can go ahead and part this wig wherever in the front that you please, because it is a full 13x4. What that means is that it's 13x4 straight down from ear to ear, so you got space to work with. It looks so realistic. Like, they did a great job with bleaching the lace, and I love that. Okay, let me not. I am so tempted to start finger combing the hair. This is gonna be my look for the next couple of days. I just feel like a center part just does it for me when I want to do like a everyday wear. But oh my gosh, a side part eats. I'm gonna do a center part. I'm so tempted. Okay.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, make a bong, 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 on a make it.
Okay then, that's looking, oh my god, I can just, oh, this is gonna be so fluffy and just voluminous. I'm excited. Like, look at that meltdown. What? Okay, so before I move any further, I'm just gonna get a little bit of a powder and add to the front, mostly because I want to kind of mattify the very edge just a tad. I'm just gonna go ahead and start combing out these curls, finger combing. Oh wow, yeah, just like I imagined it would be. RPG, what a way to start off the new year. You starting off 2024 with a bang with this one. Yeah, I feel like this is perfect to, like, if you're getting married and like you want that type of wig, like get flawless lace, and you're doing that big pullback vibe. Like, it's so easy to create that nice, classy, big bridal bun, curly bun, because there's so much hair to work with on this wig. I love this. I love this. I wish I was going out right now. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. yeah man, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. It's giving classy, it's giving boss, it's giving glam. It's just like this big hair vibe. It is so gorgeous. I can't wait to pull out this wig to really go out to like a dressy event. Like, it's so top tier. This is such a top tier vibe. Let me know what you guys think, because I love it. Oh my gosh, everything is just so perfect. It's laid, but at the same time so voluminous. Like, so nice, man. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Look at that. Listen, go check it out. Go check it out. Any deals I have, any discount code like that, that will be listed down below in my description box as well. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you like this wig, all that good stuff, go ahead, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and give this video a thumb up. That's it for today's wig look. Stay tuned for my next video, and just go and pick up on yourself. So yeah, that's it. Bye guys.